Dear students, parents, and teachers, Happy Independence Day to you all. On this glorious day, I wish you all the great, cheering, and cherishing moments of Independence Day. On this day, let us remember those who sacrificed their lives to uphold our dignity and brought us identity. Freedom of our country is not given, but was at the cost of many great lives who shed their lifeblood to add color to our lives. May the spirit of this day bring unity and prosperity to us all. May the stories of bravery of our freedom fighters inspire each one of us. Let us celebrate this day with gratitude. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning to the respected Father John Victor, respected Principal Sister Abhaya, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation.
सामने स्वतंत्रता दिवस पे एक कविता पेश करूंगा। मातृभूमि भारत से बढ़कर कोई स्वर्ग नहीं है।
एक दुल्हन ये दुनिया, एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, चादर सारे अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, सजीला देश रंगीला रंगीला।
A very good morning, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all of my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I am Usma Banu from class 7th A. I would like to speak few words about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August annually. It is National Festival of India. It is a special day for every citizen of India. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. The day reminds us of the great freedom fighters of India like Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jhansi of Rani, Jawaharlal Nehru, and lot of peoples. Their life is worth inspiration for us. But we would never forget the moral values on Independence Day of India. And once again, Happy Independence Day to all of you.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
Dear teachers, students, parents, and well-wishers, on the occasion of 75th Independence Day, I would like to wish every one of you a happy Independence Day. As the country celebrates the Platinum Jubilee of our nation independence, I would like to remind you of the 5 pillars as our Prime Minister started Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in the month of March 2021. The 5 pillars are freedom struggle, ideas at 75, achievements at 75, actions at 75, resolves at 75. I am sure if we imbibe all these 5 pillars, our country will prosper. and stand by itself, what we call it Atma Nirbhar. Once again, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सब देशों से न्यारा, कई सपनों ने है गहराई से स्मृतियों ने घेरा। ऐसा देश नहीं है कहीं, नहीं है ऐसी जमीन, सब देशों की रानी है ये मेरी जन्मभूमि, ये है मेरी जन्मभूमि, ये है मेरी जन्मभूमि। कहाँ ऐसे उज्जवल सारे, कहाँ ऐसी काली घटाओं संग बिजली खेले, यहाँ हर सुबह मैं जागू सुनकर पंछियों के रेले। ऐसा देश नहीं है कहीं, नहीं है ऐसी जमीन, सब देशों की रानी है ये मेरी जन्मभूमि, ये है मेरी जन्मभूमि, ये है मेरी जन्मभूमि।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए।
जवान अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर सरहद पर अपनी सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं।
वैसे भी अब हमारे भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी अब हमारे डॉक्टरों के हाथ।
आज फिर तिरंगा लहराते हैं, भारत की शान को फिर आसमां दिखाते हैं। तिरंगे के स्वाभिमान को कभी ठेस नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, भारत के वासी हैं हम, एक ही सुर में हम सब ये गाया है। कोरोना का ये काल, हमारे वीर बने हैं हमारी ढाल, केसरिया पगड़ी सजती है इन पर, बलिदान की बनते हैं एक ये बड़ी मिसाल।
Hello everyone. We all know that because of this pandemic, we are not able to celebrate this auspicious day of independence together. But social media is the thing by which we can connect and celebrate this day with each other.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Good morning to all. Respected Manager Father John Victor, respected Sister Principal Abha, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this virtual celebration of Independence Day. Thank you Almighty God for protecting us from this pandemic. Thank you for your support and guidance of your respected Father John Victor to have this visual celebration which will could not express our honor and respect towards our country.
I extend my senior thanks on behalf of Federation family to Sister Principal Abhaya for inspiring us have a virtual gathering and teach us and all my dear friends. With your effort, we could not have done success in this presentation. A big thanks to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.